Hi, I'm Tomo Hojo, co-chair of the Triple Celebration. Honpa Hongwanji Mission of Hawaii celebrates its 135th anniversary, combined with other two very significant celebrations. 850th anniversary of the birth of Shinran Shonin and 800th of the establishment of Jodo Shinshu. I hope this video will give you heads up what you will expect for September 2024. I would like to pass the video to my fellow committee chairs.
Hi, we are very excited to welcome all of you for this wonderful opportunity. We will observe two commemorative services, the 850th and the 800th anniversary service on the first day, and the 135th anniversary service on the second day. On the first day, we will perform the special ritual called Shinsei Gohon Densako, which includes the Shoshinge with a beautiful musical melody, making the service exceptional.
Yes, along with a beautiful service, various workshops will take place during 2 days of the celebration. As ongoing project, you can join the online lecture series of scholars and ministers. Please find more detailed information on Honpa Hongwanji Mission of Hawaii website.
To commemorate this special celebration, Honpa Hongwanji Mission of Hawaii will publish the new Gatha book, Praises of the Buddha, with the help of the music committee. The new Gatha book contains both traditional and new Gathas. I'm sure this Gatha book will be your new window to the world of Dharma.
Throughout 2 days during the celebration, the various workshops are provided. Please select your preferred workshop and learn about Jodo Shinshu, history of Hongwanji, and Buddhism-related craft with your family, and Sangha friends may enjoy.
Hotel will be at the Ala Moana Hotel, and all services and workshops will take place at the hotel. We reserved the hotel room block with a special price and hope you enjoy your stay.
I would like to extend my heartfelt invitation to the special luncheon with a beautiful program of Japanese classical music by the Yamaguchi Gagaku Kai and a delicious 3-course meal. The luncheon will be held in the Hibiscus Ballroom.
The Honpa Hongwanji Mission of Hawaii has a rich history steeped in the beautiful fragrance of the Nembutsu. Commemorating this triple celebration is an opportunity to rededicate ourselves to learning and sharing the living teachings of Jodo Shinshu. We cordially invite you to consider supporting the triple celebration as a sponsor. Mahalo.
With the help of Mr. Atchison, new triple celebration tab was created under the Honpa Hongwanji Mission of Hawaii website. When you go to the Mission of Hawaii website, please press News and Events and then click the triple celebration link. You can find more detailed information.
We are very excited to invite you to this special celebration. Over 135 years of time, the Honpa Hongwanji Mission of Hawaii has opened its doors to the islands of Hawaii as a place of Dharma and Nembutsu.
The teaching of Shinran Shonin, which revealing us the great compassion and wisdom of Amida Buddha, is ever more needed in this difficult world. And we hope the teaching of Nembutsu will spread more to the community and especially to our individual hearts through this celebration.
So please join us in this wonderful celebration. We are all looking forward to seeing you in September. Bye.